Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Euler's method to approximate the value of a differential equations. Let's use this function as an example. First, we need to define a multivariable function. In order to define a function, you need to use column equal sign, which is located at the symbol button. If you press Ctrl symbol button, you can activate it. Then you'll be writing x times y. Don't forget to put multiplication sign between the variables. Let's define the step size with h as well. Then let's create a spreadsheet by pressing Ctrl-I. Columns of spreadsheets are already named with letters, so while renaming the column, I suggest to use at least 2 characters. They can even be like XX and YY as I try to use. Our initial value is 1 and 1. Let's type this in the first row. Cell C1 will have our next value for x equals to 1.1. I will define a formula here as it is given in the formula booklet. Our previous y value, and we will add our new values as a1 and b1 since I stored my initial values there, and we will multiply it with a step size h. We already have a y value for x equals to 1.1. In the cell A2, let's define the next x value as a1 plus h. And let's copy the value in C1 to B2 cell. Our spreadsheet is ready to generate values for the following rows. For column C2, let's copy the previous formula, press Menu, Data, and Fill. And as you will see, by using the cursor, you can scroll down and new formula will be adjusted for the corresponding cells. Our spreadsheet is ready to generate values. By holding Shift and cursor, let's select these 3 cells. We will do the same thing. Press Menu, Data, and Fill. If I scroll down my cursor, I will generate new values. Let's erase this one. And here's our value that we are trying to obtain. 2 of my students, Tom and Sam, keep suggesting me to say, don't forget to subscribe at the end of each video. Thanks for the suggestion, folks. Thank you all for watching.